How to create a Gmail without phone number.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
So first of all, here you have to provide your first name and then surname and tap on next. Then select your birth date, month and then year. Select gender, tap on next. Then here you can simply choose any one of the available Gmail or you can create your one. Here I am selecting one among them. And here you have to create your password. So tap on next, again tap on next, and you just have to agree all these terms and conditions. Wait till it loads. And then your Gmail account will be created. If not, then you just have to keep trying again the same method and you will be able to log into your Gmail account with the help of the account that you created and password you created.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.